Instagram for beginners. Instagram is all about providing absolute value to your followers, especially if you want that valuable engagement. In just a moment, we will give you some valuable tips on getting started and getting the most out of Instagram. Your objective should be to post photos and videos that create some kind of emotion, happiness, humor, motivation, nostalgia, love, or anything else. High-quality photos with a lot of vibrant colors tend to get the most engagement on Instagram. Don't go overboard with the filter effects. Instagram provides you with a selection of filters that you can apply to your photos to automatically enhance the look and style of them, but that trend seems to have already hit its peak. People want photos and videos that are colorful, but relatively natural looking. Although you may be tempted to use filter effects, try to limit your use of them to keep the color and contrast normal in most of your photos. In a moment, we will explain how to use hashtags and how to find great new content. Feel free to use hashtags. The use of hashtags is a great way to increase your reach on Instagram, encourage more engagement, and even attract some new followers. Unfortunately, some people take it too far. Their captions are often bloated with hashtags, many of which aren't even relevant to the topic of their photo. Keep your hashtags relevant, on brand, and try not to use more than 11. Use the Explore tab to find great new content. The Explore tab on Instagram is where some of the most popular photos and videos get featured. The photos that are displayed here are tailored to you according to the photos and videos that have been liked or commented on by people you follow. You can find new users to follow or engage with by checking out this tab regularly by tapping the magnifying glass icon in the bottom menu. In a moment, we will explain how often you should post on Instagram. Post consistently to keep your followers interested. If you want to keep your followers engaged, you need to post new content on a regular basis. However, that doesn't mean you need to be posting 6 to 10 photos a day. In fact, posting once a day, or at least once every other day, should be enough to keep your current followers interested. On the other hand, if you go for long periods of time without posting, don't be surprised if you lose a few followers. Use Instagram Direct to contact specific users. Although it's a good idea to post frequently to keep your followers engaged, sometimes it's not always necessary to publicly post something to all your followers. Instead, you can target one or more specific users by privately direct messaging them a photo or video. Instagram Direct is a good way to connect with specific groups of users without needing to broadcast your content to everyone all at once. Engage with your followers. Never ignore your most loyal followers who regularly like and comment on your photos. In our experience, that's a guaranteed way to eventually drive followers away. Instead, you want to make your followers feel valued. Reply to their comments or even go check out their account and like a few of their photos. In a moment, we will explain why you should never be tempted to buy Instagram followers. Never buy followers. There's a lot of hype around buying Instagram followers. And it's true that you can get some big numbers for pretty cheap. The problem with buying them is that they're often mostly fake and inactive. Your account may look a little strange to users who see that you have 15,000 followers, but almost no posts, no likes or comments on your photos and videos. Stick to real engagement. It's not all about the numbers. Experiment with shoutouts. Interacting with your existing followers is always recommended, but the more people you reach out to, the better. Doing a shout-out with another account in the same follower range is an effective way to reach more people. It is basically two users who agree to give the other a shout-out post on their own accounts. This is actually a good strategy that many Instagram users have used to grow their accounts by the thousands. Keep up with the latest Instagram trends. Hashtags and shout-outs are great, but even particular trends will eventually have an expiry date. If Instagram is a key social media platform for you, it's important that you keep up with the latest trends to avoid getting left behind and putting yourself at risk of losing valuable followers. Make the most of Instagram stories. Instagram stories are not permanent, and more, in the moment, pieces of content that you can post for your followers to see. They come in the form of both photos and videos, and automatically disappear after 24 hours. They can be viewed at the top of the feed, and are recognizable as circular bubbles. Instagram stories offer a more casual way to connect, share and interact with your followers. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and make sure you do not miss out on future social media tips. Check out our list of recommended Instagram courses in the description below. Thank you for watching.